Do you want to build wealth from nothing? Consider transforming your financial struggles into success stories. It's not just a pipe dream, it's achievable. Welcome to 8 Personal Finance Tips: How to Build Wealth from Nothing, where we'll reveal the secrets of financial empowerment. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your finances, this guide is your roadmap to a better financial future. In this video, we'll share 8 powerful tips that can change your financial future. Each tip is a step toward financial freedom, intended to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Tip 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting specific, attainable goals is the first step toward financial independence. These goals serve as guiding stars, directing your financial decisions and keeping you focused on the big picture. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, purchasing a home, or retiring comfortably, defining your goals gives your financial journey meaning and direction. To set effective financial goals, first define what you want to achieve and when you want to accomplish it. Make your goals SMART. This framework ensures that your objectives are realistic and attainable. You can make your dreams a reality by visualizing your goals and breaking them down into actionable steps. Remember that your financial goals are unique to you, reflecting your values, aspirations, and priorities. They motivate you to stick to your financial plan and make the necessary sacrifices along the way. So, take the time to create clear financial goals that inspire you and are consistent with your vision of a prosperous future. Tip 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Once you've established your goals, the next critical step is to develop a budget that reflects your financial objectives. A budget is more than just a list of expenses. It's a powerful tool for tracking your income, controlling your spending, and allocating resources based on your priorities. When creating your budget, begin by listing all of your sources of income and categorizing your expenses. This allows you to track where your money is coming from and going. Determine where you can cut spending and apply those savings to your financial goals. Remember that a budget is a flexible tool that should adapt to your changing circumstances. Keeping to your budget requires discipline and commitment. It entails making conscious spending decisions and putting your long-term financial well-being ahead of short-term gratification. Consistently adhering to your budget will help you develop the discipline required to achieve your financial goals and lay a solid foundation for your future. Tip 3. Save and invest wisely. Saving and investing wisely are critical steps on the path to creating wealth from scratch. Saving allows you to build up funds for emergencies and future investments, whereas investing allows your money to grow over time. Together, these practices form the foundation for financial stability and growth. Start saving by setting aside a portion of your income on a regular basis. This can be a set amount or a percentage of your earnings, depending on your financial situation. Saving consistently ensures that you have a financial cushion for unexpected expenses and opportunities. In addition to saving, consider investing your savings in assets with long-term growth potential. This could include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Each investment option has its own set of risks and rewards, so do your research and seek professional advice as needed. By saving and investing wisely, you can put your money to work for you, paving the way to wealth beyond your current income. It is a long-term strategy that necessitates patience and diligence, but the benefits can be significant in the pursuit of financial independence. Tip 4. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major impediment to financial freedom. While debt is sometimes necessary, such as when purchasing a home or financing education, it can become a burden that limits your ability to accumulate wealth. Avoiding unnecessary debt and managing existing debt responsibly are important principles of sound financial management. To avoid falling into a debt trap, distinguish between good and bad debt. Good debt is used to fund assets that appreciate over time, such as a home or education. Bad debt, on the other hand, is used to fund purchases that do not add long-term value, such as excessive consumer spending. If you already have debt, work on paying it off gradually while avoiding new debt whenever possible. To make room for debt repayment, you may need to budget and prioritize your expenses. Over time, reducing and eliminating debt can improve your financial situation and pave the way for wealth accumulation. Tip 5. Educate yourself about finance. Financial literacy is a powerful tool that can help you make more informed financial decisions. Learning about finance is essential for comprehending complex concepts such as investing, taxes, and debt management. By expanding your financial knowledge, you gain the confidence to successfully navigate the financial landscape. Begin by looking into resources that can help you improve your financial literacy, such as books, online courses, or workshops. Look for credible sources that offer useful insights and actionable advice. The more you learn about finance, the better prepared you will be to make sound financial decisions that are in line with your objectives. Remember that financial education is an ongoing process. Maintain a curious and open mind, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts when necessary. By constantly expanding your financial knowledge, you can lay a solid foundation for your future and avoid common pitfalls along the way. Tip 6. Be mindful of your spending habits. Your spending habits have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Being mindful of how you spend your money can greatly improve your ability to accumulate wealth. Adopting mindful spending habits allows you to prioritize your financial goals while avoiding unnecessary expenses. Begin by tracking your expenses to better understand where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you can save money without sacrificing quality of life. Consider taking a minimalist approach to spending, focusing on what truly adds value to your life while eliminating unnecessary expenses. Being mindful of your spending habits also entails avoiding impulse purchases and staying within your budget. Before making a purchase, consider whether it fits into your financial goals and whether it is a necessity or a luxury. By being intentional with your spending, you can make every dollar count for building wealth. Tip 7. Maximize income potential. Increasing your income is an essential strategy for creating wealth from nothing. While it may appear difficult, there are several ways to increase your earning potential and financial resources. Exploring new opportunities and leveraging your skills can help you increase your earning potential and accelerate your path to financial independence. Consider broadening your skill set or pursuing additional education to improve your qualifications and create new career opportunities. Freelancing or starting a side business can also provide additional income streams that help with your overall financial stability. Diversifying your income streams allows you to build a more resilient financial foundation. Remember that increasing your income requires effort and perseverance. It may entail venturing outside of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. However, the potential benefits of financial growth and stability make it a worthwhile pursuit on your journey to building wealth from nothing. Tip 8. Build emergency savings. Creating an emergency fund is an important part of financial planning, especially when starting from a low financial base. An emergency fund serves as a safety net, offering financial security in the event of unexpected expenses or income disruptions. Setting aside funds for emergencies allows you to avoid going into debt during difficult times. Begin by establishing a reasonable goal for your emergency fund, such as 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund should be easily accessible in case of an emergency, but kept separate from your regular savings to avoid temptation. Consider automating your savings to make consistent contributions to your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund not only provides peace of mind, but it also increases your financial resilience. It enables you to weather unexpected financial storms without jeopardizing your long-term financial objectives. Prioritizing the creation of your emergency fund will protect your financial future and keep you on track to creating wealth from nothing. Congratulations! You've taken the first step toward creating wealth from nothing by implementing these 8 effective personal finance tips. From setting clear financial goals to maximizing your income potential, each tip is a step toward financial independence. Remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires perseverance, discipline, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By consistently applying these tips and tailoring them to your specific needs, you can build a solid financial foundation that will last. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about personal finance and wealth-building strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, each filled with valuable insights and practical advice to help you on your journey